It was a bright and sunny Monday morning when little Georgina zipped up her sparkly purple backpack, her eyes wide with excitement and a little bit of worry. "Today's your first day at playgroup," said Mama, giving her a hug. "You're going to make friends, play games, and learn new things." Georgina smiled, but inside her tummy felt like a bowl of wiggly jelly. "What if nobody wants to play with me?" she whispered. Mama knelt down and said, "Just remember to be kind and share your smile, the rest will follow." At Sunshine Playgroup, everything was new. There were colorful blocks, paint stations, a big reading corner, and the smell of freshly baked banana muffins in the air. "Hi, I'm Miss Olivia," said a cheerful voice. "Welcome, Georgina. Come meet the others." Georgina stepped into the playroom and saw kids everywhere, some building towers, some coloring, others giggling over toys. Then she spotted it, a sparkly silver unicorn plush sitting alone on a shelf. "I love unicorns," Georgina gasped, running over and scooping it up. But just as she cuddled it, a little boy named Tyson came over with teary eyes. "That's Starlight, my favorite unicorn," he said softly. "I play with her every morning." Georgina looked down at the plush in her arms, then at Tyson's sad face. She remembered what Mama said. She smiled and gently held Starlight out. "Wanna share her with me? We can both play." Tyson's face lit up like the morning sun. "Really? Thanks." And just like that, Georgina made her first friend. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.